Hello, my name is Dierecks. I'm a product manager fastening technology at Kistler. You want to perform tests of torque tools according to various applicable standards? Kistler test systems will make your job easier, and that is what I'm introducing to you today. We will take a closer look at the standard version first and at the optional equipment features and special solutions later. Meanwhile, it is no longer just the major OEM that test their nutrunners and tools along the assembly line. When talking about nutrunner testing, this usually involves the nutrunners, impulse tools and torque spindles. However, torque wrenches can also be tested here on our cerTest. Part 2 of the VDE 2645 provides various specifications for this. The cerTest fulfills these requirements completely and enables machine capability tests, various fastening points, related test strategies, but also joint scanning like the recording of the fastening point hardness for the exact simulation of the fastening point. The basic equipment of the cerTest mobile consists of the mobile base frame with up to 4 joint simulators. The simulators are driven by the tool under test. The simulator will decelerate and stop the tool when the pre-selected breakpoint is reached, exactly like the real-life fastening point. Torque and the angle of rotation are measured permanently. Nominal values and arrangement of the simulators can be customized up to 500 Nm. The corresponding measuring unit is located inside of the system. A notebook or a panel PC is mounted on the top. The PC will be used to configure the test in cerTest software. cerTest is a Kistler developed software for tool management, test planning, parameterization and evaluation of the test, network compatible or modular. The process capability parameters are continuously calculated and transferred into a report to finalize the test. The built-in rechargeable battery feature allows the cerTest to be used along the assembly line for up to 8 hours, independent of main power. Before we can start the measurement, a few parameters have to be defined in cerTest. In this quick measurement, we will test a nutrunner at 6 Nm. The hardness of the fastening point will be the rotation angle of 200 degrees. As a tolerance specification, we can select predefined tolerance classes or enter our own absolute values. After starting the test in cerTest, the simulator we want to use is suggested and we can test the nutrunner. In the same view, we get the results as a graph or control chart. In addition to the graphical representation, the individual values are also displayed. Number of the measurement, actual values for torque and angle, speed and OK or not OK evaluation. Below this, the machine capability parameters can already be read after the second measurement. As soon as the test is finished, we can show the results as a certificate or export them. cerTest provides standard but also individual certificates. In parallel, the measurement data is stored in the database for later evaluation. Here are a few more things to explain about this cerTest. As always, our focus is on your requirements. This test bench is equipped with an electric drive and a laptop holder that the user can use his own laptop. Then we have 5 joint simulators. 3 of them can get swiveled in the range of up to 90 degrees. On the right hand, we have a handling system which can get positioned in a range of approximately 2 meters to test tools and spindles which cannot get dismounted in the production line. In addition, external joint simulators can be connected so that tools with higher torque values, currently up to 6,000 Nm, can also be tested. Our cerTest offers you all options of fully compliant tool testing within a wide torque range, with extensive planning and evaluation. In doing so, we are happy to meet your exact wishes and requirements. For more information, go to kistler.com or write to the shown address. Thank you for watching.